family, welcome back to a new video. So it has been a long time since I have uploaded a video on theoretical issues. So here is our CD100. From past few days I am experiencing some electrical issues on my CD100. So in this video I will be explaining what are the problems I faced and what are the steps that I took or the procedure I followed to debug those issues. So without wasting the time, let's start with it. So the electrical issue which I faced in the motorcycle is that when I switched on the key, the neutral light was not glowing. So I thought the battery might have been drained because the motorcycle was standing from a past few days. When I checked the voltage of the battery, the voltage was correct and it was showing around 12.5 to 13 volts, so the battery was good. So when the battery was good, I checked the fuse was blown. Hence the neutral light was not working. So for temporary purpose, I connected the two terminals of the fuse together. So now I have brought the new fuse. The fuse and battery of the Hero Honda motorcycles are located on the right side panel. So let us remove the panel. Keep it aside. Here you can see the battery. Here is the fuse box. Remove this. You can see I connected these two pins temporarily. The fuse between this was blown. Here I have brought the new fuse. It's easy to connect. Make sure the switch is off while you connect the fuse, or else this may lead to production of sparks. Place it in the fuse cover. Make sure the connections are tight and the fuse sits in place. Lock the fuse cover. Connect the rubber bush and place the fuse cover on the rubber mounting. Now let us check the neutral light. Switch on the key. Here the neutral light is glowing. So the issue is fixed. So for now the issue has been solved. Now let me explain the technical reason which made the fuse to be blown. So fuse is an element which is connected in series with a working circuit or an equipment. So whenever there is an abnormal condition going on in an electrical circuit like wiring damage or short circuit conditions, what happens is the current flow rate increases than the normal value or the rated value of the fuse. So this makes the fuse to be blown. So when the fuse blows, it protects the external circuit and the battery from damage. So whenever a motorcycle or scooter undergoes a similar issue of fuse blown, do not directly buy the fuse and insert into the bracket. Instead, first try to figure out what might be the problem, or is there any short circuit conditions going on, or is there any electrical damage. Try to debug all those issues and correct the particular fault and then insert the new fuse. About the problem solving procedure. Now let us see what might be the major reasons for the breakdown of fuse. The short circuit will lead to increase in the current in the circuit. Increase in the current makes the fuse to blow. The other reason might be damage of wiring. When the wiring is damaged, it is in contact with the grounding of a motorcycle, which makes the short circuit conditions. The other reason might be, here you can see the regulator rectifier of a motorcycle. Unhealthy regulator rectifier or internal damage of the regulator rectifier will lead to increase and decrease of the voltage. So this might also be one of the reasons for the fuse to be blown due to the variation of current and voltage parameters. Another reason might be water clogging in the electrical accessories and connectors. So these are few points to be taken care of to protect the electrical connections of a motorcycle from damage. So that's all for today's video, just a small issue and how it should be taken care of. Make sure the electrical connections of a motorcycle and scooters are in good condition. If you have any doubts on today's video, comment down below. Thank you for watching the video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of my next video.